There it is, 10K. Alright guys, so we are about to hit a huge milestone in the Mustang, my 99 with, well, now almost 10,000 miles. I'm gonna do a little ride along for the 10,000 mile milestone. I got this car when I had 3,000 miles on it, had it for, this is my third summer having it, so I've put 7,000 miles on it, and we're about to go for a ride and do a celebration pull for when we hit 10K. So here's the miles right now. I'm at exactly 9,998 miles on the dot. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my head and we're gonna go on a drive and have some fun sending it to 10K. All right, see you guys in a second. All right guys, so here we go, the startup of 10K. Oh man, it's been a freaking journey with this car. I love this thing. I don't know where to go that I'll be able to do a pull. Probably pull out of here and then, yeah, this will be perfect. I'm so excited to hit this 10,000 mile mark. It pains me, but it's such an accomplishment at the same time. Just knowing that I have a 99 that's just now rolling over to 10K miles, it's insane to me. It's crazy to think like 7,000 miles I put on this car, and those are like the best 7,000 miles that I've ever had driving. That was a nice backfire. There's a lot of nice cars out today. It's not usually like this. I definitely have to get a picture of it saying 10K. So I want to do that too. Hopefully it's up here by this light. It's gotta be. This is definitely a half a mile up to here. Not this light, but the next one after this. It's gotta be. Oh my god, I'm gonna stop at exactly 10K. Maybe. Oh my god, dude. This is actually crazy. There it is, 10K. Oh my god, it looks so weird seeing that extra digit on there. I'm gonna send it again on this road coming up, but oh my god, did that feel good. I'm full sending it to at least 100 on this road up here. my god, dude. I never send this car like that. And it feels so freaking good. Oh my god. I never do this to that. I never do that to this car, and that shit is insane. Oh my god. Now it's time to just cruise home. It just feels so good being able to enjoy this car in that way. At 10K miles, it is well worth doing that pull. I'm pretty sure that I hit 110, 115. I don't know, we'll go back in the video and watch it, but that was insane. It's gonna look like the miles go up so much slower now because it has that whole extra digit. Going 30 and a 45. Oh, we're stopping. Okay. We got construction. That's what it is. Bro, they're cutting down the tree. Shout out to my woodcutters out there. $7,000 miles of pure enjoyment from this car. They are turning right. Actually, maybe they weren't. It looked like that their blinker on it might have just been their brake lights. But either way. Get fast enough for you guys to hear the exhaust off of these two side rails. It echoes perfectly. Alright guys, well I hope that you guys really enjoyed that as much as I did. This car is just pure joy and enjoyment every time I drive it. 10K mile mark. Not many Mustangs out there this year that have only 10K miles, so I'm very happy with that. If you guys want to see more of this car, I'm going to be doing a lot of filming of this car before winter hits so that I have some stuff to upload in the winter. So make sure you like the video and subscribe and hit the bell button to see more. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.